Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. What I'm just doing, I came down early before it got too hot. It's getting very hot now, can feel the heat, and I've managed to strim, and the waste grass cuttings are just putting on top of the raised bed. No use wasting it. So what I'm doing now, just giving everything a good watering, because I know they said we're going to have a heat wave over the next few days, so making sure everything's well watered. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on every one, what we get, every comment we answer, so we try and answer. Might take us a few days, but we'll get there. So just making sure that these are my pumpkins up here. Just, you can see they're coming along nicely. Don't know if we're going to get any, but you know, just persevere on. The aeroplanes are coming in thick and fast and going out as well. I think because there was a strike or something over the weekend, they're making up for things, and then people want to go to the Olympics and that, they're making provisions for them people as well. So I think that's why there's so many aeroplanes going past. So I'm going to carry on watering, then I'm going to show you what's going on the plot. Right everybody, so we've got everything watered. I've still got some carrots to take out. I'm just short of breath again. Got some carrots to take out. My Scotch bonnet up there, they're doing well. My melon, this one's just running, but I ain't seen none on there yet. This one's just got one melon there. Got my peanuts down there, they're doing quite well. Oh, cameraman, zoom in on those. These are my peanuts. This is 2 tomatoes. I've got to stick those up next time I come. My sweet potatoes, my chilies on the shelf. I'm going to get order 2 more shelves so that I've got some extra length. Right, got some onions in there what I'm going to take out on Wednesday, and my fennel. This is sweet potato, and then you can see it's all sweet potato. It's so thick. This is my turmeric. Got my ginger at the back there. Just a couple more tomatoes there. I put in some lettuce seeds in there and they've started to come through, so hopefully we'll have another crop of lettuce. Right, going out now. The temperature in there is 44 and 46 down the other end, so that's how hot this polytunnel gets. So this was a KSB strong, got in February, and I'm happy with it 100%. I only got one side window open. I can open up the other window, but I just want to have one open. Right, come up here. God, I'm just so tired. Right, I've got my rhubarb there, what's coming back. Got a few more potato buckets to empty, what I'm going to do on Wednesday. I was meant to do it today, but I thought I'd just get the strimming out of the way. This is my okra yam. Some beetroot in here. Sweet potatoes, 3 tubs of sweet potato. I've got this bed here to weed out and dig up and put some manure on top. So I'll get round to that maybe by Friday. Got my cho-cho in here. Is it choch? No, pak choi. Kale. This one's the kale. And this one is the Romanesco cauliflowers. I've got this bed to sort out as well. Just gonna weed it up and dig it over and put a thick layer of manure on there if I can get it. I've got a carrot here, bucket here, shimmer. Got another carrot bucket up there. They came back. I've got this is a lily and a couple of 4 tomato plants there. Some corn here, and then this is my Jamaica hybrid pumpkin, what someone gave me the seeds, and I think you can see it's right up to the top of the arbour, so I want it to come over now. So you can see it's one what really runs. I'm not sure if that's a male one or what, because someone said to me the male ones run and they don't produce anything, but we'll see. I see a couple on it, so hopefully we might get 1 or 2. Right, this is my cucumbers. Next time I come I'll stick them up, and I've got a couple of courgettes. I didn't plant a lot this year. This is my cho-cho here. I don't know what should be running by now, but that's one of them, and I've got another one down there. And then you see my corn is looking really nice. These are my French beans and lemurs. See my gladioli started flowering. And I've got a couple of cabbages in here, some Romanesco, cauliflower and broccoli what I've been harvesting. I think it's the marathon one, so it just keeps coming all the time. Right, and I think I showed you my pumpkin bed at the beginning of the video. We'll let my cameraman come round, show you. You can see they're nicely running, few flowers, so let's hope the weather holds out that we get a few this year. There's a mixture of different pumpkins in there. This is the raised bed, what I done's got compost and manure and the wood in there. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So thanks for watching. I know it's a short one. There's not much that we can do now with the weather changing, apart from just keep everything tidy and trim. We're going to tidy up next time we come down. We'll give everything a tidy up, empty the potato bucket. So once we got this bit here sorted out, then everything should be a lot easier, because I'm thinking whether to put a bed there or because I don't think we really need a compost pile. We can just chuck everything on top and it'll rot them down sooner or later. So that's it for now. So you take care, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.